Hello everybody. April 2nd is celebrated as Autism Awareness Day, and the whole month actually revolves around awareness about autism spectrum disorder. The theme this year is From Surviving to Thriving through awareness, acceptance and appreciation. Now, in awareness, what is autism spectrum disorder? I'm sure many of us are well versed, but those who are not, autism spectrum disorder is basically a neurodevelopmental disorder in children which has impairments in social communication and interaction along with some restricted and repetitive behavioral patterns. Now, when we say social communication and interaction, it is a very qualitative term, and so many a times it may be difficult to diagnose autism spectrum disorder. Some myths related to that is many people believe that the child is speaking, so he cannot have autism. So we must remember that language delay is not an essential part of diagnosis of autism, though it may be present in children with autism. Again, even intellectual impairments may be present in 30% of children, but they are not essentially present in every child with autism spectrum disorder. Now, how do you diagnose autism spectrum disorder? They are through a lot of clinical observations along with some tests that can be done along with functional levels of the child in various domains to help plan an intervention plan for the child, which will basically target the domains where each child is lacking. So now no two children of autism will have the same clinical profile. Some of these children will also need some neurological and genetic evaluations if they have a suspect of an underlying disorder with their autism. When we talk about intervention, what do we basically mean? It is not about one or two therapies, but it is a whole individualized plan that will target features of the child, core features, along with functional deficits in other domains of the child to try and optimize the child's functioning in his environment, both developmentally and behaviorally. So come on, now that we are aware, let us take a step ahead towards acceptance and appreciation as well. Now, these families work so hard towards, progress of their child and towards trying to teach their child social skills. And many a times when we are working with these families, we realize that they find it really difficult to socialize their children with peers, in extended family, in friends and neighborhood. So let us offer that acceptance hand and help these children learn their social skills in the real life environment. And just that little nod, just that little pat on the back would probably offer the appreciation to help motivate these families go a long way. We have taken our step towards working for these children, and we've been doing it for years now. Why don't we all step ahead as a society and also help them with acceptance and appreciation in addition to the awareness that most of us actually have? Thank you.